Mobile Aquarium Maintenance Business, Chatswood, New South Wales. Established since 1984, this business services and maintains all forms of aquariums, especially marines, in the Sydney area. Currently, the business has all marine tank clientele. A new owner could add freshwater tank services to expand the business. This business operates from home, so it can be run from anywhere with no need for expensive premises. The sale includes a very reliable Toyota HIACE van, fully equipped with tanks that hold up to 1,200 litres of seawater. With all assets included, the business has built up a very strong home and business clientele over 20 years. Offering flexible trading hours and low overheads, this mobile business would suit a buyer with aquarium interest and experience. Currently, the business is only being run part-time as the owner is semi-retired. There is great potential to expand by advertising, canvassing local aquarium shops, and adding new services.